Hey, what's up you guys? It's Liz here, back with another video. I have a huge surprise which I'm really looking forward to opening this for you guys. As you can tell by the title of the video, I wonder what's inside here. So let's go ahead and take one out. There's a few stuff in here. Got the iPhone 12 Pro clear case with the MagSafe, so we'll be unboxing this. And make sure to hit the like button, comment below, and subscribe if you're excited to see this unboxing. And lastly, in the bag, we have, oh, look what we got here. We got the iPhone 12. I got my hands on it. I gotta unbox it for you guys, so let's go ahead and dive in. Alright, so here we have the MagSafe Charger, the iPhone 12 Pro clear case with the MagSafe, and the iPhone 12. So of course, you know, these are accessories. It doesn't come with the iPhone 12. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so designed by Apple in California. We open it up, and here it is. Here is the MagSafe Charger. Alright, so here is the iPhone 12 Pro clear case with the MagSafe. Gonna cost like $49. I think the MagSafe charger was $39, if you're wondering. But let's go ahead and open this up as well. So this is the iPhone 12 Pro clear case with the MagSafe. That's pretty much it. This is the case. It has iPhone, MagSafe, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. This is like a little cut here. This you can't feel. This is a magnet, and it perfectly lands on it. Pretty sturdy. I don't see it getting loose by moving it, unless you pull it hard. So that's that. The most exciting part of the video. Let's go ahead and open the iPhone 12. I'm super excited. This is the 128GB silver color. Can I get my hands on any other color besides this one? My first iPhone was the iPhone 5, and it was a silver one, and it literally has the same shape as this one, so why not bring back that memory, right? I'm super excited, you guys. You have no idea. After a really long day, I've been looking forward to this. My favorite part here is unboxing this, as it's super satisfying. So here we go. Ready? Oh my god. It just feels better even without the wrapper. My goodness. The box feels so smooth, nice. Honestly, this is like the smallest iPhone box I ever seen. You know, if we want to compare it to the previous generations, here's the iPhone 11 XS Max. Look at that difference, you guys. I can't even believe it. The size is super crazy. I like that it's simplistic. It's not that heavy. And you can literally put this in your pocket. Crazy how I went from this to this. Let's go ahead and open this up because I'm pretty sure you've been waiting. The moment of truth here. Boom. Oh my gosh. Wow. I don't think the camera does it any justice, to be honest, because in person it looks so good. I feel like crying. It's so nice. I'm not even joking. Like, it's super nice. Wow, and the feel. This is a Pro Max, iPhone 11 Pro Max. This is the iPhone 12. Look at that difference right there. Set that aside. You got your cable. And your little baby Apple sticker. Oh my god, that's so cute. Ready? 1, 2. Lightning port in the speakers, the SIM card, volume rockers. I gotta admit, it feels more elegant. Let's start it up. Yes, I can't wait to start it up. Here we got the MagSafe, right? Okay. Okay. So that is a demonstration here. Let's put on the case. Make sure to take care of the phone, right? And then once you want to charge it, go like that. Boom. Alright, let's go ahead and do this. The startup. English. USA. Set up manually. Continue. We'll set that up later. We'll set that up later as well. We'll set this up later. Don't use. Terms and conditions. Agree. Express settings. You can use these settings. Blah, blah, blah. I don't know. I'm just going to press continue. 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 I'll set this up later. Not now. Set up later. Share with app developers. See without. Okay, so that's without. I don't know, I kind of like it like that. But let's press continue. Let's go with dark. Or let's go with light. Let's go with light. Alright, and welcome to iPhone. Swipe up to get started. I haven't installed the SIM card. But when I do, OMG, you guys. This is amazing. The smoothness and everything. The new iOS 11 or whatever it is. I don't even know. Wow. There it is, you guys. The iPhone 12. That's about it, you guys. Thank you so much. I really mean it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.